Hey everybody, me again, Shannon, Practical Paracord. In today's video, we're gonna be slinging some lighted cement sling bullets, y'all. Go.
Kathy's house.
Look at this house. Oh! Well, I probably could have came on here earlier, y'all. I got a target I'm gonna throw right at. I shouldn't hit it. We at about 20 meters away. And I just want to see if it's gonna break or not, y'all. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. That took a good amount of damage, even hit the fence. See if I can throw it a little lower. Dang. All right, not a bad test. Still stuck in there. I freaking hit the pole and broke the thing. It's pretty bright. Ooh, that was nice. Let me try a side on. Throw it with the point first. I don't want to throw it with the light in. All right, now got a clay one I want to bust up. See how that works. Another greenie. These are on the store, and the light went off on this one. You don't want that to happen. So you got to make sure when you press it in there, you press it in real good so it don't pop out. All right, last one, y'all. Well, when I do find my rangefinder, I got some things I get to play with to see how far I can throw them, y'all. I got the idea from Iron Goober. He put them in the ready-man sling bullets. I put them in cement, and them things are sticking good, y'all. So, yep, they're on the store. Get y'all today. It's pretty fun. And hope this was an interesting video and y'all liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend. When you do, tell them that notification bell.
Practical Paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you already know what this is. Catch him in Louisiana, now he's showing you rock slinging, shepherd slings, and plenty tutorials. Make sure you subscribe now, all the slinging techniques, Paracord and legend, I got all the tips, check these, hey. I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord, let's go. Only thing on my mind, I got a passion, it ain't no denying. I'm paracording till the sundown, the dopest channel that you gon' find. Yes indeed, packing up with my EDC. I'm so ready for whatever, G. Everybody keep on telling me I need to check out Practical Paracord. Hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You already know what this is. Ain't no need for waiting. Really, it ain't no debating. Keep it hype. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe. Hey.